What's up, everybody? This is Steve from Claiming Christianity. I've been doing a bunch of unboxings lately because all of a sudden the Bibles have been showing up. So I'm excited to open these boxes up for you to show you what's coming in the near future. I have my kid's scissors. You all know that I usually use my handy dandy Swiss Army knife. It's not in my pocket because I'm at home. So let's see if my kid's scissors do the job here. This is another Bible that showed up that I'm not exactly sure what it is. I'll be honest. But it came from B&H Publishing, which means it's a Holman Bible, which means it's a CSB. And y'all know I love my CSB translations. So let's get the scissors out of the way. Let me tell you, this is a funny thing to pause on during an unboxing. But thank you very much for including all this packaging because it keeps the Bibles nice and pretty. Ooh. I just did a Thinline for you, an unboxing last week, and it was also a Thinline. This is another Thinline. We're looking at the CSB large print Thinline Bibles. I've been really anxious to do some Thinline reviews for you guys because I have been into Thinline Bibles. I want to switch up to using a Thinline just with the way that I teach at church and read the Bible and how that whole thing works for me. A Thinline would work really well. So I think I'm going to switch it up here to one of these. So I got to find myself an NKJV. All right, so luckily this flap is flapped open. I say this a lot. My friend Tim Nichols at a Nicholsworth Bible Reviews, check him out. I'll drop his link down in the description. He does a good job of reviewing these Bibles in about 5 minutes. He taught me how to take these things off. Well, Tim, if you happen to see this, it doesn't work for this one. It's all connected. So luckily they didn't stick the sticker too crazy because I've been known to rip these things to shreds and I don't want to do that. Ooh. So, hold on. Yeah. I'm sorry if you think I'm weird. You're watching a Bible unboxing and that's what we do. We smell it because they smell so good. So this is beautiful. This is the exact size that I'm looking for. I don't teach out of the CSB. I teach out of the New King James Version. But it comes with 2 ribbons. The layout is really nice. Looks like a big 10.5 point font. And look, the columns are nice and wide. It's probably hard to tell. You'll be able to see that more in the full review. But the columns are nice and wide and there's not too many words stuck in there. This is really easy to read. Ooh, it's hard to not make this a daily driver, huh? This is a really pretty Bible. It does come with, oh, come on, CSB. It's like you know me. It comes with 3 ribbon markers. 2 of them were stuck together, so I thought it was only gonna have 2, but it comes with 3, red, black, and gold there. This is really nice. And again, with the floppiness, the quality of the Bibles that are coming out at the price point. This is goatskin. It says it right there. You probably can't see it. You will in the full review. This is just an unboxing. But the quality of the Bibles that are coming out is fantastic. This Bible retails for $139.99, which chances are, especially at the time this is being filmed, means you can probably get it for like $100 from Amazon or from christianbook.com kind of thing. They always have in deals, and for $100 for a goatskin leather Bible that's floppy, that lays flat, even the gutter, as I'm like, it's really nice. I'm excited to do the full review for you. Make sure you're subscribed and the bell's on so when these reviews come out, you can check them out, especially now around the holidays. You might be looking for a gift for somebody. I hope you're all doing well. Be blessed. Thank you for watching today. Here are a few other videos you might be interested in. And if you found value in this video and would like to see more, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. This content is brought to you by the love and support of its viewers. So thank you so much for making it possible. Be blessed.